Okay, now let's continue to really dive into the review of conjugate acid and base pairs. You can easily find this image online. I just want to highlight something out of this image here. So, here we have a water molecule which acts like an acid. Why? Because it's about to donate the proton away, right? So you can see that for the structure of the water H2O, you have a atom of oxygen at the center. This is the oxygen. And then you have a hydrogen here and a hydrogen here. And now it's donating one proton, one H plus out of this molecule. So you can imagine, okay, this is like one H plus gone away. So there's just that one H left. And this is the oxygen. And then it just happened. One plus charge is out. So what's left here? It should be one minus, right? So that's why for the OH, it have the charge at like minus one. And then because from this acid giving away the proton, then this one just like kind of losing a proton compared to this acid here, right? So the OH plus is called the conjugate base of the H2O acid. That's why it forms a acid and base pair. One acid donating the hydrogen and the other one will receive the hydrogen. Why? So if you can see the other way around, what if you got the OH minus here and you want to form the product as the H2O? You're supposed to add another protons, right? So accepting a proton to become a new substance make this OH minus here as a base, and it's the conjugate base of the acid H2O. Okay? So it's the same thing with in this case too. Here you have NH3, so it means it have a nitrogen atom at the center and also like three other hydrogen atom around, and it make a neutral substance NH3 aluminum. And then if it add another proton, then it becomes just like one extra protons here, right? Also the same nitrogen atom at the center, and you have other three from the beginning. You have another one, so now it becomes like 4H. That's why you have the subscript of H on the right of the H symbol, and that's NH4. And together now, you just add another positive one. It have a positive here, so that's why the whole molecule here now have a extra charge plus one. So this one, the substance has received a proton. That's why it is called a base. And then this one is the acid. Why? Because if you go the other way, in order for the NH4 minus, NH4 plus to become the NH3, it needs to giving away donate an H plus, right? If it go the other way around, so then this one's supposed to be an acid, then it can have the ability to donate the hydrogen. So you can see that basically acid base pair, they conjugate to each other because it's just the process going backward or going forward or going backward. Okay, so where do we have this proton for this to occur? So actually that's the proton removed from this one that move around here. That it will move around here, and then it from in here. Okay, so this is basically the journey of the proton. You have it from here, then it's removed from its original house here, then it moved to another house, and then it locates it here and form another acid. Okay, so That's why I'm trying to explain. Sometimes you can see that figure somewhere around on the internet, but you're not very sure what does it really mean. Okay, so I hope that it can be helpful. Thank you. Please let me know if I kind of like not helping you. Okay, let me know, please. I'm learning how to be helpful as well. Thank you.